New Carrier Infinity heat pump installed past January is giving a 41 error code. System seems to operating okay and local tech is replacing blower motor Thursday. Why a 41 code, but no loss of blower operation?
What happened just before your Carrier heat pump displayed this message?
I thought power to home might be a problem because of occasional light flicker. Called Duke, provider, and they found their line to meter was a problem owing to line being tensioned due to subsidence on steep slope. That's repaired, but still getting code 41 emails every time blower starts.
How long has this been going on with your Carrier heat pump? What have you tried so far?
Called local tech 10 days ago when I started getting code 41 emails and he couldn't find fault, but ordered new motor under warranty. Motor has arrived and will be installed Thursday.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
Just that system seems to be operating okay.
Good afternoon, my name is I would be happy to assist you with this. Are you just wanting to verify that the blower motor is bad?
Motor seems to be working but don't know if speed control is as it should be.
Those motors are notorious for the modulating side of them to go bad. Did you say the tech is replacing Thursday? I would say that we'll fix your issue based on the error code you described above.
Okay, thanks. Would voltage problem cause this EO?
No, it won't. If it's getting power at all, it will be modulating correctly if that head is working properly.
Okay, I'll tell tech what you said, thanks.
Okay, anything else I can help you with?
No, appreciate your information.
If you could leave a review, I would greatly appreciate it. Have a great evening.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.